Hi, I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy, and today I would like to talk about the really useful adverbs gern and lieber. And it's quite interesting because in English it works in a different way. But maybe you saw it already in my mini stories of my course. To see my entire course and how I use mini stories to teach you the language, just click on the first link in the description. But before we get right into it, I would like to briefly show you the table from my last video. Here we learned how to form the comparative and superlative of adjectives. And as always in German, there are regular and irregular adjectives. Now the interesting thing is that adjectives are meant for nouns. And all adjectives can also be adverbs. So they are used for verbs. But there are also some words that can only be adverbs. And one example is the adverb gern or gerne, no, both works, which means gladly. And it's quite irregular. But let's look at an example for better understanding. And as always, for our example sentence, we use a picture. Ich esse gern Pizza or ich esse gerne Pizza. Literally means I eat gladly pizza. So the English meaning is I like to eat pizza. So to say you enjoy doing something, in English we use the verb like. But in German we use instead of like an adverb gern or gerne right after the verb of action. And here again in our example we have colors. So green is for the nominative case and the background color is also green because the verb is here regular. And the pizza is blue because it's the accusative. You can find more about the colors in my other videos. So, but what is the comparative of gern? And the comparative is lieber. And of course, really irregular. But let's look at an example again. Sie isst lieber Suppe. Literally means she eats gladlier soup. And the meaning is she prefers to eat soup. And here we have a red background because the verb is irregular. Now, the superlative the superlative here is am liebsten. And again an example. Sie isst am liebsten Eis. Literal, she eats most gladly ice cream. And the meaning is she likes to eat ice cream the most. Gern, lieber and am liebsten work for all other verbs as well. So here are a few more examples with the verb spielen, to play. Ich spiele gern Fußball or ich spiele gerne Fußball. Literally, I play gladly football. And the meaning, I like to play football. Sie spielt lieber Computer. Literally, she plays gladlier computer. And the meaning, she prefers to play computer. And sie spielt am liebsten Tennis. Literally, she plays most gladly tennis. And the meaning is she likes to play tennis the most. So please remember, neither lieber nor gerne are verbs. In a sentence they must be preceded by a verb. But I highly recommend to remember those words because they are quite useful and you will hear them quite a lot. I hope you enjoyed the video and that you don't miss anything. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and to activate the bell. I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy and thank you very much for watching my video.